We've already tried replacing the spark plug on this engine because the spark plug looked pretty bad. That didn't do anything, so now we're on to deeper measures. We know that the engine has spark, we know that the engine has fuel in cylinder 3. So right now what we're doing is testing cylinder 2, a known good cylinder, to make sure that our tester is working. Go ahead. Now that we've tested a known good cylinder, let's test cylinder 3. Go ahead. There's our problem. Our problem is most likely carbon buildup over the valves, but we'll have to figure out what to do next.
You tell me when.